this video. In this video, we will learn how to use Samsung Galaxy Tab as a MIDI control for LMMS or any software. First, you need to connect the USB port to your Samsung Tab and to your computer. I will pause the video. Now, after you connect your USB cable and to your laptop, this is my USB cable to my laptop, and this is my USB to my tab. It's time to scroll down and then scroll to Android system USB for transfer file. Click it and then tap for other. Click once more to tap for other USB option, and then click or tap MIDI. So now after that, open up your software on your tab. Open up MIDI keyboard on your tab. Click, and then you can use any software, but I will use this MIDI keyboard. You can download from Google Play, and then click output, and then click the second option, Android USB peripheral port, and then click OK. And then on your laptop, open your software. I will use LMMS because it is free. You can download from internet free, and then drag the instrument that you like to use like this. I will click instrument and then click piano, for instance, and drag to editor windows, and then lower the master pitch into -3 semitone, and click here to open the piano roll, and then close. Click gear, and then click MIDI, and then click my input, and then click MIDI function. Now go back to your tab, open up your MIDI piano. Now you can click any key. Like that. This is my Bluetooth speaker. You can hear the sound from it. And you can also record the notes on your LMMS. First, click the piano roll. Click here to open the piano roll window, and then click here to record. So now start to record and click any random key. And then stop. Just click stop, and then you can see this is all the notes that recorded from the MIDI your Galaxy Tab as a MIDI piano or MIDI controller. You can play the notes. You click here. Like that. I hope you like for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you.